everybody, so I am actually currently wearing my Instasmile. Let me show you my real teeth. And this is with them in. I remember my sister got her teeth like 2 years ago, and I've like seen how much her confidence is raised. If you go to her Facebook page, all she has is pictures of her smiling, you know, and so many people talk about how pretty her smile is, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I get a little jealous, and whenever we take pictures together, she tries not to smile in the picture because she doesn't want me to get upset because these are mine.
Mommy.
I have a few missing teeth, so, you know, I can't smile in pictures, and I just want her to feel as beautiful as I do with them, with a pretty smile.
Me too.
So, bye.